Hi friends, today I am going to draw this picture from the book Pictorial Mahabharata for my daily drawing practice. While drawing, I would like to read the story of noble act of Yudhistara from Bhishma Parva. Noble act of Yudhistara. Everything was ready for the battle to begin. At this tense moment, a thunderous applause rose from the Pandava soldiers when Arjuna lifted his Gandiva bow. Then, to the amazement of all, Yudhishthira suddenly took off his armor, put away his weapons, and descending from his chariot, proceeded on foot towards the commander of the Kaurava forces with folded hands. Arjuna tried to stop him and said, "Where are you going? They are our enemies." But Yudhishthira marched on without turning. Krishna looked at him and reassuringly said, "I understand his purpose. Yudhishthira is now going to Bhishma, Drona, Krupa, and Shalya to ask for their benediction before the commencement of this terrible war." The men in Duryodhana's army, seeing Yudhishthira advancing towards them, thought, "He is Yudhishthira, probably coming suing for peace, being frightened of our strength. He is a coward. He has deserted his brothers and is joining us." Yudhishthira went straight to Bhishma, bending low and touching his feet, made salutations and said, "O Lord, I bow to you. We are forced to fight with you. Grant us permission. Give us your blessings." Bhishma said, "If you had not come to meet me before the resumption of war, I would have cursed you. But now I am pleased with you. Fight and obtain victory. Ask for any boon which you desire from me. Man is a slave to wealth, but wealth is not slave to man. I have to fight on the Kaurava side because I am bound to them." Yudhishthira said, "O grandfather, tell us how we can defeat you in the battle, for I know that you are invincible." Bhishma said, "There is none, not even the gods, who can defeat me in the battle. I shall die only when I give up arms." Yudhishthira, not knowing what to do, once more saluted him and took leave of him. Next, he approached Drona. He saluted Drona and said, "O invincible sir, please tell me how I can fight without blame and how I may defeat my enemies." Drona said, "I shall pray for your victory. You have Krishna as your counselor. Where there is righteousness, there Krishna is. And where Krishna is, there will be victory. But so long as I fight, victory cannot be yours. Therefore, with the help of your brothers, try to kill me first. O king, I cannot see anybody capable of killing me when I fight with my temper roused. Try to kill me when I lay down my arms, engaged in yoga on the battlefield. I may also tell you that if someone of a truthful nature utters a lie, I shall throw up my arms and give up fighting." Yudhishthira then offered his salutations to Kripa and other elders and returned to his own army. Yudhishthira then announced, "If anyone on the side of the Kauravas is willing to join us, he is welcome." At these words of Yudhishthira, Yuyutsu, one of the brothers of Duryodhana, joined the Pandava army. Yudhishthira gladly welcomed him. Friends, this is the story I would like to share with you. Do you know this story? Do you know any further information about Yuyutsu who fought for Pandavas in Kurukshetra Sangrama? Please let me know in the comment section below. And also I hope you like this video. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe to our channel How to Draw Step by Step. Thanks for watching. Thank you.